Good morning, Desert Hills Middle School. I just wanted to first introduce myself. My name is Terry Howell, and just a little bit about me. I do have a southern drawl. It comes out once in a while, especially when I get angry. I'm from the South, but I'm also an Air Force brat. My dad and our family moved around the world, and I've lived everywhere: Philippines, England. I was born in Germany. I do have three wonderful boys. They're all grown. One served in the Navy, one's in school, and then one is currently serving a mission in Bolivia. So that's a little about me. I am married to Jonathan Howell. You might know him. He's the principal at Fossil Ridge. So education is big in our family. Let me just tell you that, first of all, I want to be helpful to all faculty and staff in our building. That's what the Media Center is about. So if there's something that we can get for you to help you with your lessons or in your classroom, please let me know. That's what we're here for. Secondly, on August 8th, I want to invite all of you to a training that we are having here in the Media Center. It starts at 10. It goes until noon, but don't feel like you have to stay the whole entire time. We're going to start by organizing our Google Docs, and then if you want to use the new learning management system, we can start getting you to go on that, or we can also help you incorporate those Google Docs into whatever system you are using. I'm really good with websites, so if that's another thing you wanted to come and start getting to work on a website, I can be there to help you with that too. We do have some district people there that will help assist us throughout this time, but we want as many of you there that we can get. Again, that's August 8th, 10 to noon, up here in the Media Center, and I cannot wait to meet all of you. Thank you so much, and let's make this a great year.